Hello everybody and welcome to Rally to the North. Today our project is to change the clutch belt. I have over 20,000 kilometers on my bike and there is a little exclamation mark when I turn the bike on that shows right here, and at first startup it'll tell me transmission maintenance. So there's a good sign, and I actually put on another 500 kilometers after that, but today's the day. It's spring. I have had it in storage all winter and getting ready to ride. So we're going to open up the clamshell quickly, and then we're going to show you the tools we need and the procedure to take the clutch belt off and replace it. All right, stay tuned. Okay, now we're taking the lower front panel off.
I don't remember if I took all this off.
Okay, now he's using a Torx 30 to take off the hardware that's under the radiator. This all has to come off.
Already off.
And there we go. Okay, now we're working on the lower side panels again with the panel remover tool. There we go. That's that. You'll find one underneath as well.
I think that's the only one. Yeah, that's
I'm thinking that's the only other one, so that's good. There you go.
And then oh, there is one more.
Oh, there is one more. Okay.
Completely underneath.
That one goes completely underneath, and there we go. Off it comes. We'll do the same to the other side. So now we're just removing, there's 4 bolts on each side that'll separate the clamshell and open the bike up. So he's loosening these here. You see, one here and one here. And then he's going to come back. This is the front of the bike, and he's going to remove this one, and he's just going to loosen that one. So that we get the rivet. He's loosening the front one, and the other one is going to take right out. And this is where our pivot is going to happen. And in behind that, you will find a dowel-like part that the bolt actually goes through.
Well, it's just a nut.
It's actually just a nut. So watch, put your hand on it and watch that you don't lose that.
I see.
This is the seat. We need to remove the bolt there and there. So this is ready to lift. There we go. Okay, so as he lifts the top part of the Ryker off, you'll see this separate right here. All by itself. Yeah, no problem.
Just when you put it back on.
And just when you put it back on, you want to make sure that it's in position and
put it back in.
Pop it back in, just like that. Okay. Okay, so we've got this handy dandy little lift helper here. He's got it hooked in to the front of the seat. It's going to be very secure, and then we can lift it to the height that we want. There we go.
Oh, tons of room.
Lots of room now. There's what we want to get at to change the belt. I'm going to take all that apart, take the old belt out, put the new one in, good to go for another 20,000 kilometers.
We're going to pull this housing off.
So there it is. Our next endeavor here is to pull the housing off of the clutch.
Take that off.
Which is this thing. Need a 10mm wrench for that. If you're going to do this, make sure that this upper clam part is very secure. Propping it up with a 2x4, a lot of people do, but in our opinion, this is the better way to do it.
Clearance to get this off.
So that's right, we need clearance to get this off. So this little shield, he's already taken the bolt out, and then that needs to be removed. Okay, this is an 8mm that he's using to take all of these bolts out. So what he's taking off now is the skid plate, or bash plate if you will. And if you have just the plain Ryker edition, not the Rally, I doubt that you would have one of these. But anyways, in order to pull out the cover to the clutch, he needs to take off the skid plate underneath it. And there's what the skid plate looks like when it's out.
This side.
Okay. Okay, we're ready to slip off the cover for the clutch. Just kind of lift up and pull out. Maybe around the bottom stuff down there.
A little awkward.
A little bit awkward. There we go. Sweet. There's my clutch. Ooh, she's ready. So this is the clutch remover tool, the clutch belt remover tool. It actually spreads the sheaves of the clutch so that you can disengage the belt. And it cost me 63 bucks. It's just a bolt. And that round piece that fits in the middle of the clutch. Just screw it in there. Just like that. Bring that up snug. Get your wrench. And there it goes. It's opening the sheaves, as you can see. All right. And off comes the belt. Look at that.
That's a tight fit down below.
And it's a tight fit down below. Oh, now that the top side's out, we need to jimmy that bottom side. And if you just keep it level and pull it towards you, it should come out. A little sticky, a little tight. There we go. Sweet. Belt is out. We are ready for a new one.
Yeah, this insulation has to go back in.
So this is the used belt. This is a new one. There is virtually no wear on this belt, but automatically at 20,000 kilometers, the computer says that you have to change a transmission belt for safety purposes, and everybody rides differently. So yeah, you just do it, get it done, and then It'll erase that little exclamation mark on your dash, and you're good to go for another 20,000 kilometers. The belt is out, and we could have, before we took the belt out, taken the insulation out, this right here, and also this right here to make it an easier removal. So we're going to take that out now to make it a easier reinstall. And that just slides out. Same at the bottom. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to reinstall the belt. You can see the arrow on the belt right here showing rotation. It has to go counterclockwise on the clutch. So there's a little arrow here. I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, counterclockwise is obviously this way. So that's the way the belt has to go on. That is the rotation of the motor. Okay, on goes the belt now, and we're going to start at the bottom. And what you need to do is put it on at a bit of an angle, such as what he's doing there, because there is a lip in there that is part of the housing that you need to get the belt up and over. So that's why he's putting it in at an angle. And there we go. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. And into the top. Belt rotation is correct. There it goes. Slipped right in. Okay. I'm going to take that off. Belt remover tool, if you will. Okay. So the belt's sitting in there quite deep.
I just basically work it.
Just got to work it a little bit so that it's sitting at the very top of the clutch. Just like that. That looks good. Okay. So you can either put it on the way that Mike just did here and just kind of jimmy it around until it sits in the proper place. Or if you're not all tied up, like we are here, you can just move the bike forward and those sheaves will come properly and the belt will fit in its proper spot. And now we're going to put the insulation back in. Super easy. That just slides in there. You can see where it's preformed to fit. Shed a little light on the situation. Good. And then the top insulating piece.
No tree catch.
So it's going to fit right in here, be sandwiched right in these recessed parts here, and then sit also right down in here at the end of it. Okay, there it goes, it's in. All right, we're done. Look at that, brand new belt, another 20,000 kilometers. A worthy note is to, it might be a good time to change your spark plugs because They say at BRP that they should be done at 12,000 kilometers. Don't really agree with that, but we're going to change them anyways. But that's another job, another day. So there we go, another made simple video from Rally to the North on removing clutch belt and replacing it back on a 2019 Ryker Rally. I hope that this was easy enough. It's only a 17-minute video, so quick and easy. If you do have questions, please do put them in the comments down below, and Mike and myself will try to answer any questions or concerns that you have. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. 95% of my viewers are not subscribed, so there's a lot of you out there that could actually just hit that button and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video and if it was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.